So if you have to solve this equation, 3 bracket 2y plus 7 equals 2y plus 3. Now we need to expand each part of the equations. So if I have to expand the left-hand equation of it, you will have 6y and 21. And that will be equal to, again, you expand the right side. This is going to give you 2y plus 6. So now you can notice that there are two different y's, one here and the other one on the right. So what you can possibly do here is you will subtract 2y on both sides. Okay? And when you do that, you will have 4y plus 21 equals 6. And now you will have to subtract 21 on both sides again. Okay? Subtract 21 here and also subtract 21. And when you do that, you have 4y equals, now 6 minus 21, I think you will get minus 15. And now to work out the final answer, you will divide both sides by 4. And that would leave you with minus 15 divided by 4. And of course, if you want to put it as a mixed number, that would be minus 3 whole number with a fraction here, which will be 3 over 4. Okay, so this is the way you work out an equation given to you as like this. Okay, yeah, thank you so much, everyone. If you have any question, please feel free, put it in the comment section, and if I have to respond, I think I have to. Okay, thank you so much.